Hey, if you want to check battery level of your AirPods Pro free using an Android device, you can actually do that by using application from Google Play Store, PodsLink. So you have to just simply go to the search, find that application, PodsLink, AirPods battery, install it, open, and as you can see here we can find left one, right one, but for some reason it's not showing the battery level of the charging case. And here, if you are using this application for the first time, you will have to actually select the model of your AirPods. So there's like a list of all AirPods from the first generation to the current one. And there's also some advanced settings like equalizer, some gestures, but to actually use it, you will have to get some premium subscription for this application. But yeah, that's actually possible, and you can even add the shortcut, the widget, into your home screen. So for example, if I'm gonna pick this one, I have to click save. Yeah, that's the payment, so probably we have to pay for it to actually take advantage. Yeah, but that's option to check the battery by going to this application. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.